Starting our new lesson, Lesson 6, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. There is a close relationship between height of land and the character of vegetation. With the changes in height, the climate changes and that changes natural vegetation. The growth of vegetation depends on temperature and moisture. It also depends on factors like slope and thickness of soil. What is natural vegetation? Natural vegetation is the vegetation that's grown on its own without any human interference. Natural vegetation is generally classified into three broad categories as follows: forest, grassland, and shrubs. Categories of natural vegetation: forest, grassland, shrubs. Forest, which grow where temperature and rainfalls are plentiful to support a tree cover. Grassland, which grow in the region of moderate rain. Shrubs, thorny shrubs grow in the dry area that is less rain. The changes in the type of natural vegetation occur mainly because of the changes of climate condition. Let us get to know the different type of natural vegetation of the world with their characteristic features and wildlife inhabiting there. These are the different type of forest: tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, temperate evergreen forest, temperate deciduous forest, Mediterranean vegetation, and coniferous forest. Tropical evergreen forest. These forests are also called tropical rainforest. These thick forests occur in the region near the equator and close to the tropics. These regions are hot and receive heavy rainfalls throughout the year. As there is no particular dry season, the trees do not shed their leaves altogether. Hardwood trees like rosewood, ebony, mahogany are common here. Tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous are the monsoon forest found in the large part of India, northern Australia, and in the Central America. These regions experience seasonal changes. Trees shed their leaves in the dry season to conserve water. The hardwood trees found in these forests are teak, neem, and sal. Hardwood trees are extremely useful for making furniture, transport, and constructional materials. Tigers, lions, elephants, and monkeys are the common animals of this region. Temperate evergreen forest. The temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal region. They are commonly found along the eastern margin of the continents. Example in the southeast USA, South China, and the southeast Brazil. Hard and softwood trees like oak, pine, etc. Temperate deciduous forest. Temperate deciduous forests are found in the northeastern part of USA, China, New Zealand, Chile, and also found in the coastal region of Western Europe. They shed their leaves in the dry season. The common trees are oak, ash, like that. Deer, foxes are the animals commonly found here. Look at this picture. This is evergreen forest. What is the speciality of evergreen forest? Evergreen forest always appear green, as their trees never shed leaves altogether in a particular season. This is deciduous forest. Their leaves change color with the season. It will not be green all the time. Trees shed their leaves in the dry season to conserve water. Next, Mediterranean vegetation. East and northeast margins of the continents are covered by temperate evergreen and deciduous trees. The west and southwest margins of the continents are different. They have Mediterranean vegetation. It is mostly found in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa, and Asia. This kind of vegetation is also found outside the actual Mediterranean regions, California in USA, Southwest Africa, Southwestern South America, and Southwest Australia. Citrus fruits such as orange, fig, olive, and grapes are commonly cultivated here. Look at these pictures. This is Mediterranean vegetations. It is mostly found in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa, and Asia. Next, coniferous forest. In the higher latitudes of northern hemisphere, the spectacular coniferous forests are found. These forests are also seen in higher altitude like Himalayas. They are called softwood evergreen trees. The wood of these trees are very useful for making pulp, which is used for manufacturing paper and newsprint. Matchboxes and packing boxes are also made from softwood. These are coniferous forest. Coniferous forest consist mostly at coniferous, which trees that grow needles instead of leaves and cones instead of flowers. Fir, pine, cedar are the important variety of trees in these forests. Natural vegetation, second category, grassland. Grassland are generally open and flat. There are two types of grassland, temperate grassland and tropical grassland. Tropical grassland, this vegetation grows in the areas of moderate to low amount of rainfalls. The trees can grow very tall, about 3 to 4 meter in height. Then temperate grassland. These are found in the mid-latitudinal zone and in the interior part of the continent. Usually grass here short and nutritious. Then third categories of natural vegetation. Thorny bushes and tundra vegetation. Thorny bushes. These are found in the dry desert-like region. Tropical deserts are located in the western margins on the continents. The vegetation cover is scarce here because of scanty rain and scorching heat. If you reach the polar region, you will find the place extremely cold. The growth of natural vegetation is very limited here. Only mosses and lichens are very small shrubs are found here. It grows during the very short summer. This is called tundra vegetation. Tundra vegetation is found in the polar areas of Europe, Asia, and North America. The animals have thick fur and thick skin to protect themselves from the cold climate conditions. Seal, walrus, Arctic owl, polar bear, and snow foxes are some of the animals found here.